Hey guys, this is Tim with Southern Mudslingers 843. I wanted to give you an update of the StarKnight MT windshield. We got a little driving test that we took. And you guys can see there out in the daylight, it is really holding up well. Seals are really holding up well around the windshield itself. I wanted to take it for a drive and give you guys an actual video of it going down the road, through the trails, seeing just how little of dust we actually get back here. So let's go for a ride. Guys, we just got back from a nice ride in the Can-Am Defender Max with the StarKnight MT rear windshield. This thing is great. It keeps the dust down. You don't have that dust spinning around in the back, getting everybody all dusty. It is a great product. We are happy to have it, and we can't wait to see what other products that StarKnight MT has. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.